the canal. With the lock in front. There's the car and the bike. The bike's all ready to go. Looks like a silly old electric bike. It is really, but it's fantastic. And of course I can carry the box on the back. It's got all my bit of food in there, a couple of water. Yeah, we're raring to go now. Yeah, if you think I look a bit silly in these glasses and this coat, trust me, it gets sillier. Look at it. One of them silly capes. It keeps me dry, I don't care. Here's the services at Beeston Lock. See, we've got the bunting out, ready for the Jubilee. Yeah, it's a nice area this, it's quite nice. And we're just coming up to the lock on the canal that takes you out onto the Trent. Very shallow lock. You're just riding up to the top of the lock. You can see the entrance to the weir. There's my bell ringing. There's the weir, that side, and in front the boat on the move. Starting to rain again. Come on, shift. Whoa, stupid duck. Like a marina scrapyard this is. Mind you, must be some gold in there. Always fancied that boat there. Not the boat. No cycling here. As we come to the marina and the pub. Stop the video here. Right, as we cross the little footbridge, you can see the World War II landing craft there. So, does do trips out at different times. And we're at Beeston Marina now. There's Peterlee Marchant, Lucky Robin. Oh, it's slinging it down now. I'm just going to cycle away from the marina, and still got all the boats down here. Some nice caravans down here. Mobile homes or whatever. Oh no, a bit more permanent than that. A nice spot. See the boat disappearing down the Trent. Oh dear, the bike's gone. Oh dear, disaster. Oh no, it's raining again. Nice little spot this. Erin just sitting there looking at me. Couldn't care less. Sort of take a little bit of video here. Oh dear, I scared the Erin, unless it was a boat that's coming. Anyway, better carry on. Don't know whether we can read the sign there. I usually carry straight on along the Trent here, but I wondered whether to go this way, but there's one or two walkers about. Attenborough Nature Reserve, I think. I'm not sure. I may go this way. At least it'll be drier along the path. Here we've got the kingfisher hide. So just stop the light for a few minutes. What have we got here? Oh, memorial plaques. That's different, I've not seen that before. There are actually people in the hide at the moment. It's a good spot if you're bird watching. A couple of people just walk by. Oh. Let's carry on. Some nice little spots down here. Although the wind's blowing straight into this part. So I think we'll go a bit further. The wind is a little bit cool. It's Ratcliffe Power Station in the distance. Coal fired. Don't know whether that's going to be closing down soon, I would imagine. There's Attenborough Nature Reserve Visitor Centre. If we can get in the right position. Yeah, it just keeps raining. We just stopped on a bridge here. You can just see the very top of Attenborough Church. And just swing round. There's a visitor centre. The train line's just ahead. I think I might go down to there. I can see a bridge in the distance. I'm not quite sure which bridge that is till I get there. Lovely morning. It keeps raining but not many people about. It's lovely. Well, there's the level crossing. We've just come down this road. And as I say, this is Attenborough Nature Reserve. Now we've got the sailing club. I've actually sailed there. Really nice club as well. And as you can see, we're right next to the railway line. There's a train coming. Moving along, we've just had a much larger train come past just before I got the camera out, so it's quite a bit busy main line this is. It's a lovely spot. It just keeps raining all the time. It's raining now. Not many people about, that's the main thing. Well, we're actually on the Area Wash Valley Trail at the moment. I didn't even realise that's what it was called. It's pretty in here. It's still pouring the rain. Let's go down this track. I can't believe it. It's still raining a little, I think, but there's some current bull in the sky. All of a sudden, just like that, in a couple of minutes. Right, I think soon going to have to find somewhere to stop. I'm getting a bit hungry and thirsty. Well, I've decided to stop because the sun's just come out. Managed to find a couple of dead bits of wood, but I don't know, it's a bit wet. It might not work, but I've got the a bit of pack up. I've even got my sauce, look, got my stove, my cup, and bits and bobs to try and get something to eat quick before it rains again. This is how Benny Hill would like the stove. Well, just a couple of minutes and we're starting to get more flames and smoke, so that's a good sign. Got a couple of breakfast patties here. Got a bit of oil in and let's get it on. I've got a slight problem, as you always have. Oh, the flames are coming out now. Look at that. This is going to burn. Oh dear, what am I going to do? Oh! Oh, bumped your finger already. Oh, we're not going to be able to do this with the camera. Oh. No hairs on my fingers again. Now you've gone. Straight away. Oh, it's starting to cook. There's my mug. Some fool's name on it. So we can have a cup of tea afterwards, but I want this breakfast patty. I'm going to have to keep my eye on this now. I'll have to put the phone down. Oh, the breakfast patty's cooking well. The flames are coming out the side, so it's certainly going well now. I think we've just dried the wood enough. It's cooking fine. I've turned it over because I don't want it to burn too much, although my pan's already getting burnt. I'm not very level. Oh, I can't wait, I'm starving. Well, that one looks ready. I think I better fish that out. Get the next one on the go. Wish I'd been a Boy Scout, I could have got the knots undone. Right, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, get the next one in. I think we only want one slice. Mmm. 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 Lovely. Oh. Mmm. Wow, that's hot.
You know, I'd have brought my knife and fork and my napkin if I'd have known. I'm really pleased that's still there. There used to be a brass plaque on the top of it as well, but that was stolen.
I thought there must have been.
Yeah, but I've not been here in 35 years, and so I'm just trying to get my bearings. I used to live near here, you see.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to remember what it said on there. I know it was
before all the trees, you probably had quite a view from here.
Yeah, oh, my God, you've just hit, you're right. You can see the other side of the Trent.
Yeah.
Ah. Anyway, I'll leave you in peace anyway.
That's all right, mate. It's nice to speak to you. And the dog didn't steal my breakfast.
Well, next time I should train her a bit better. Come on, mate.
See ya. Well, he were a nice bloke. And what's even better, the dog behaved and didn't eat my breakfast. Yeah, that was a pleasure. Oh, we're smouldering a bit. Oh, here we go. Oh dear Graham, what you done? Ow. Here's a tip, don't forget your utensils like I have, you moron. Yeah, apparently the man was telling me there used to be a big brass plaque on here and you had a lovely view over the Trent before the trees were too big. Well, I don't know, we'll see, yeah. But somebody stole the plaque. I suppose you can weigh it in for scrap. Oh, some heat coming out of there now. Another little drop of oil, I think. Cooking beautiful. Oh, that one's ready for eating. Get my cup of tea on now. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. And always better out in the fresh air. Definitely. Wow. Got the pan on now for the cup of tea. And I have to pack up. I'll sit here and enjoy this for a bit. few bugs never hurt, did they really? There she blows. Well, I'm just being paid a visit by long-tailed tits. I don't know whether they'll come into this shot. Probably not. You may not see. There's one just landed in a tree there. There he goes, one of them. You may not see him in the camera. It's a shame, really. It's about 5 or 6. 1, 7. I can see about 7. Lovely. So quiet. Oh, I heard a kid squeal. The water must be going well by now. Oh, you've got a bit of a steam on, not quite a boil. Give it another couple of minutes. The sun is getting so bright now. Really getting a little bit warm in my coat. Morning. Morning. Need a bit more water. Never stir your tea with a stick. Ah. Tea time. Well, cheers. I'll tell you what, these cups are lip burners. I think the trick is, don't put too much tea in. And really, I don't want to be stopping the bike every 2 minutes to get off, do I? So, you know, this is lovely. About, ooh, not half a cup, just a bit less. But it's all right, this is. Sitting here nice and quiet all on my own. It makes you think, doesn't it? Not really. It's just nice sitting here. I've not got a care in the world, have I? I suppose if I think about it, I have. Best not to think, mate, innit? Just enjoy it. My God, this is great. We're getting a little bit of a cloud now, but I don't think it's going to rain. I think I'll just eat a bit more water up, have a bit more tea, I think. I've got a taste for it. Yeah, and then wait for the fire to go out. Make sure we don't leave any mess anywhere. Nice pedal back. Oh look, haven't made my nose black. Never mind. I think it's a clown coming. No worries. You know, you know. Well, I wish I'd had more battery on my phone. I don't know whether you can see, I'm wet through. That path had just come down off the hill. Look, the nettles were taller than the bike. My hands were getting all stung. You mighty baby, I want me mum. And I'm running out of battery. That's going to sting.